Alright guys, today we have an unboxing straight from the GoDaddy, man. Your boy picked up a pair of Air Jordan 1s. I'm kind of guessing right now. So I picked up a couple pairs of sneakers from the GoDaddy. And I'm just hoping this is the Air Jordan 1s I bought. Bought a couple Air Jordan 1s, bought a couple of different Air Jordans, and I got some other sneakers on the way, man. So you guys should stay tuned for those unboxings. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe right now. Ring notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any other content on the channel. Please slap the like button. That really helps the channel grow. And before I get any further with today's video, I gotta let you guys know about Guapi Official. They linked up with your boy again. They sent over some fire clothing, man. You know, everything that they sell is limited. It's limited merch. Usually either like 1 out of 50 or like 1 out of 100. These joints right here behind me are some of their most limited products that they're selling right now. I'm gonna link them down below, and I'm gonna show you guys trying on every single item they sent over. We got a bunch of dope clothing behind us, guys. So let's go right into me trying on all of these clothes behind me, man. Shout out to Guapi Official. Their IG and their website will be linked down below. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, like I was saying, man, Guapi Official has a bunch of limited merch. This right here is like 18 out of 100, as you guys can see, with the dope transition tag that they have, man. Super dope, super authentic, and it has a designer name, you know what I'm saying? So here goes some of the first products that they sent over. The shirt is the Stonewash Get Rich tee. I got this in a size medium. It fits true to size, and it still has like that nice little oversized feel to it, and of course it has that vintage wash to the entire tee, man. Super dope. And the pants right here, as you guys can see, is Obsidian black dead or alive leather pants in a size 34. I'm like a 29 around the waist, but a 34 fits perfectly around pretty much every single website that I try to get clothes from, especially from Guapi Official. Size 34. If you're size 34, you'll be good to go, man. And right here, we switch the pants out. We have the oak brown dead or alive cargo pants. All this stuff is limited, man. So if you like it, you better get it. Got the bullet for a zipper, dope cargo pockets, super nice quality, man. I must say, man, you get a bunch of dope fits out of this one. I use the Stonewash Get Rich tee for pretty much every single pants they sent over, just so you guys can see like kind of how everything plays together with their limited merch, man. So right here, these are the Racer Snake leather pants in the same size, 34, fits very nice. The quality is super dope. And look at the zipper, man. Look at the zipper, what they have, the pendant. You have a spider pendant on your zipper pants pocket. Super fire, bro. You got to check out Guapi Official. There will be linked down below. And you have the rock style belt buckle on the ankle portion of those pants, man. And right here, as you guys can see, we have the slime green velour shorts. The quality is premium on these, man. And it says overseas going across the entire top portion of these shorts right here, man. And right here's next, we have the Obsidian black Paisley shorts, a size 34 as well. So, you know, usually when you buy shorts, it says like you want a medium, a small, a large. These right here go same as your waist size, 34. And last but not least, we have the Obsidian black Racer Snake shorts, size 34 as well. I will link Guapi Official down below in the description box, man. Please give them a follow on Instagram and check out their website. You would definitely love their clothing, man. All right, guys, now we are back. We are about to unbox these Air Jordan 1s. Like I said, I'm kind of guessing it's a bunch of boxes in my closet. It's crazy. I got to start getting through them. Show you guys some of the stickers I've been picking up while I was gone. And I want to come back to some heat, man. I want to come back to some stuff that I missed out on. And these right here, like I said, I think it's one of the pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I missed out on. So we're gonna get right into it. Like I said, you guys smack the like button right now and let me know how you feeling the Guapi Official down below in the comment section, man. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, Air Jordan 1s, and I must say like Air Jordan 3s and 4s are something that I've been copping like crazy. The colorways are like super easy to wear. You can dress them up, dress them down, and get a lot of dope outfits with. And whichever Air Jordan 1s these is, I already know I'm gonna get a dope outfit with, and probably going with some of the stuff that I got behind me, man. So let's get right into it. And if you guys have these in your collection, let me know down below in the comment section. Let's get right into it. See, I already knew it was the Air Jordan 1. The box is pretty light. So let's go ahead and get these things out real quick and see what we got, man. Straight from the GoDaddy, man. You guys know I rock with the GoDaddy. Super heavy. And yeah, you guys see the box is dusty. It's been sitting in the crib for a couple of weeks. It's been here for a couple of weeks, man. So let's get right into it. Let's read the official colorway. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, light fusion red, black and white. Show you guys that official size tag right there. If you guys can guess what it is down below, just off the colorway, the size tag, let us know down below in the comment section, man. So let's pop this joint open real quick. Let's pop it open. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have the light fusion red. It was super bright. Super, super bright, man. Them colors is vibrant. Got the goat sticker popping out. And we have them, man. Check them out. The Ronald McDonald Air Jordan ones, whatever you want to call it. Real quick, let's turn the brightness down. All right, here you guys see it, man. We have the light fusion reds on deck. The quality on this pair is crazy, like the leather quality, especially compared to the Air Jordan 1 prototypes that we just got. The leather was super flat all around the sneaker, but this pair right here, you guys can see the quality is super, super sick, man. So shouts out to Jordan Brand for that. The colorway is crazy, and like I said, I already know I'm about to get a bunch of dope fits out of these beauties right here, man. Check it out. You got the yellow Nike swoosh, got the yellow hits all on the heel of the sneaker, and then the tongue is super unique. The tongue is super unique because on the top you have like that light fusion red and the yellow peeking through on Nike swoosh with this kind of like transition effect on the Nike Air tag on the tongue, man. So super dope. I'm liking it, I'm feeling it, and just all overall, man, the colors is loud, and yeah, you get some dope fits out of these bad boys right here. You guys let me know down below in the comment section if you have these in the collection. Like I said, I missed out on these when I was, away, from the crib for a while. I was like, man, I gotta add these to the collection. And shouts out to the GoDaddy, man. Super fast shipping. I don't know what it is. But man, every time I buy something from them, the sneakers ship within like 1 week. It doesn't make any sense. But there's a lot of GOAT processing centers all over the world. So people can like literally drop their sneakers off to the GOAT facilities, get them authenticated, get their payout, and then the buyer is getting their shoes almost damn near instantly, man. So shouts out to GoDaddy for that. And also, like some of these Foot Lockers and Champ Sports and stuff like that is partnering with GOAT. So most of these retail stores is partnering with StockX and GOAT. So that's another reason why we might be getting these sneakers in super early from those apps, man. So here you have it, Air Jordan 1 Light Fusion Reds. Super, super dope colorway, man. So also with these Air Jordan 1s, man, you get 3 extra laces. You guys already know, man, I've been rocking out with the white laces like crazy on damn near all my Air Jordan 1s I've been copying. I just think it just really gives all the extra colors on the sneaker like a little bit more pop with the white laces. But you got some black laces, you have some, I guess it's the light fusion reds, and you have that orange, yellowish, tangerine colorway, whatever you wanna call it, laces as well. But me personally, I'm rock out with the white laces, throw a dope fit together very soon. So you guys make sure you go head over to IG, give your boy a follow at the Vintage World, link down below in the description box. And before the video is over, and please let us know down below in the comment section if you have these in the collection. These not going for much. These Air Jordan 1s, you would think that, with the quality, everybody loves the quality on Air Jordan 1s. You'd think just based on that, the resale would be high, but I got these for around $190 altogether. So these are like an under retail pickup for me from the GoDaddy. Super, super clutch. Of course, you gotta pay the shipping, you gotta pay the taxes and fees and stuff like that. But overall, the seller was selling them for like 160 something bucks. So under retail, Air Jordan 1 pickup from the GoDaddy. You don't really hear that a lot lately, just because the hype for Air Jordan 1s is still through the roof, especially when we get like collabs like Travis Scott. You got I'm a Year 1s coming out. You also had the J Balvin Air Jordan 1s released as well. So super dope pickup for me, man. I'm glad I was able to add to the collection. You guys let me know if you have it in yours down below in the comment section. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for pulling up, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell. We got some more content dropping, more early looks, more live cops, more sneaker unboxing and stuff like that. So please, notification bell and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit the like button, that really helps the channel grow. We're trying to get to 50K by the end of the year, man. I know we can get there with you guys' support. Head over to IG, will be linked down below. Follow me at The Vintage World. With all that being said, I love you guys. Thanks for pulling up today's video. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Peace.